Hey, y'all. We've done a little bench talk in the past, a little garage talk in the past, but we've never really done any ER talk with RPM. So here we are in the ER. And I hurt my back about a week ago removing the go-kart from the trailer when the test day didn't happen, right? So hemmed and hawed, put some lidocaine patches on it here and there, and they weren't working. Yesterday, which was Sunday the 3rd, just threw a piece of paper in the garbage, bent over to put a piece of paper in the garbage, and I guess that's all it needed. I got something pinched down, something torn, something swollen, something ruptured, something's not good in the lower back. It's not my spine that hurts. It's the muscle on the side and through my hip and down the front of my left leg. And some of you guys that know me know I had some surgery on my lower back, my L2. Ruptured that disc, blew it out. That was down my right leg, the pain and what have you. So they just took some x-rays, which aren't going to tell them really anything, except to back up the story I told them about the work I've had done, because you can see it on the vertebrae where the doctor ground out the hole through the bone so the nerve wasn't getting pinched down anymore. Relieve that pain and cleaned up my blown out disc. But of course, here they give me a shot and give me a patch. They took some x-rays and they want to see if it does any good. And of course, right now, laying on this side is the only way I can get any kind of relief. Sitting up, standing up, just lights me right up. Hurts like hell. Through my hip joint especially, and then down the front into the inside of my knee. And it was so bad that the nerve hurts all the way down to my knee, and my muscle is fluttering, and it's not happy either. So here we are, Mount Clemens, McLaren Hospital in Mount Clemens, Michigan. Little commercial for RPM right there. We're getting fixed up. We're getting her hooked up. Like the old movie Grand Prix, right, where the guy says, too bad people aren't like race cars, where you can diagnose the problem, remove the part, replace the faulty part with the good one, and put the car back on the track. Well, let's hope the doc does something, because another night like I had last night is not good. So pray for me, y'all. Live from the ER, it's RPM. I'll talk to y'all later.